Hi! So, Pepetools sent me this box. Thank you for everyone who was involved in this and sending me this. I'm so excited. So I thought that I would unbox this and then immediately try some of the tools. I recently got a new camera. I had my earlier camera for 10 years, which seems crazy to think about right now, because when I bought it 2012, I never thought that I would have it for 10 years. First, let's see what we have. Eesh! Look at this. I have heard so many things about this saw. I'm super excited to try this out. Ooh, some blades. Lube. I'll take that. What is this? Blade butter. Seriously, we don't have this stuff in Finland. So I'm super excited to try this out. This is the kind of thing where you can put something in here and it automatically will find you the center of the thing. That's science. Yes, I know this one. No, you're not focusing. This is the kind of thing where you can put your ring in it and file it. Ooh, then we have some paste, I guess. I have never used that kind of solder before, so that will be interesting. I think this is made for bezel cutting, maybe? I don't know. And next we have... Okay. This is the thing that I've seen so many videos, where you put the torch and then it's what's the word? Torch lighter. And this is something that you cannot have enough. You can pick solder with it. What? Is this also for picking solder? I forgot in the beginning. I just realized that it also came with something like this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what it is. They have a list. What's the real names of the things, because I clearly don't know them. What? And it's the right size. I'm a bit amazed. Okay, now I'm gonna try these tools out. And I remember my mom saying something that she would want a stacking ring with this hammered surface. So let's make her a ring. So the ring is ready. Let's hope that my mom likes it. Once again, thank you so much, Pepetools. Such a privilege to be using your tools. Super comfortable, super beautiful. Thank you. And this I'm gonna give to my mom. I'll see you in the next video.